Dear friends, brothers and sisters, we thank Baroness Cox, the great friend of the Copts, who raised the issue of persecution for so many years and on so many occasions. Thank you, Baroness Cox, for being a great friend of us. We thank everybody. Actually today there is a lot of delay for the buses and the coaches coming from different parts. Even the signs have not arrived yet. The other side, most of them. We are waiting for the arrival of the other coaches. We would like to present a petition to the Prime Minister to show the Egyptian government that the British government stand in solidarity. We would like to hear a word of condemnation from the British government against the persecution of Christians in the Middle East. The persecution of the Christians of the Middle East is not something new. The Copts have been persecuted and the government showed great laxity in pursuing the perpetrator of violence against the Copts. In the beginning, we consider that to be a matter of turning a blind eye or complacency, but because of the repetition, because of the repetition of the incidents where the perpetrator of violence against Christians never been sentenced, there has been over 400 innocent people killed in cold blood in the last 30 years. Not a single persecution for any of them took place. We would like to come here today in solidarity with our brothers and sisters in the Middle East, in Egypt, and everywhere to say enough is enough. And we tell the Egyptian government enough is enough. We continue to point the finger at the Egyptian government. Our Coptic Christian families, our flesh and the blood in Egypt, showing us great courage, great determination and steadfastness in their faith. And we salute our brothers and sisters in Egypt because of their strong faith and their solitude. Thank you. Stop the persecution of Christians in Egypt. Stop the persecution of Christians in Egypt. Stop persecuting the 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 Christians in Egypt. Justice for 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 Christians in Egypt. Stop persecuting the Christians in Egypt. Stop persecuting the Christians in Egypt. Stop the bloodshed in Egypt. Stop the bloodshed in Egypt. Stop killing the Christians 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 in Egypt. Justice for 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 Christians in Egypt. Listen to our pain. Listen to our pain. They will do it again. They will do it again. Listen to our pain. Listen to our pain. They will do it again. They will do it again. Listen to our tears. Listen to our tears. Why do we live in fear?
No worries.